Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, Taurus. And if you are interested in a personal reading, guys, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So if you want, you can contact her, guys, and she is a very good intuitive reader. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have 7 of air, 6 of fire, and page of fire. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are someone feeling really inspired, cheerful about something. You are confident about yourself, confident about your skills and talents, confident about certain ideas you have or your vision, and you're working towards something really positive, something really good. You feel really inspired, happy, and you are making a choice today, something giving you happiness in your career. Maybe you're stepping into a new path, a new career path, something making you cheerful, inspired, and it may be something which you love to do, something which you are really passionate about, Taurus. And you are happy for that, happy the way things are going today. And you are someone, a very good, talented person, and in your life, in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, this person appreciates you. Everyone appreciates your talents and skills, and they are feeling really inspired, influenced by you in a very positive way. Maybe the people you work with and this person you love, all of them are simply inspired by you, feeling influenced by your talents and the way you go about your work or way you handle your circumstances. Something giving them a lot of happiness, and they want to follow your footsteps, feeling really confident about your skills and talents, and they appreciate you, and you have a lot of people following you for that, guys. And today you are someone who has great ideals and vision, and you stand out of the crowd because your ideas and vision is so different. And that may be the reason this person loves you. This person loves you for your uniqueness. This person loves you for your the way you are handling your circumstances. So they see you as someone confident, someone good, a truly inspiring person, and you have a lot of admirers. People admire you for your talents and for the way you go about in your life, Taurus. So for your relationship, we have one more card. We will see what it is. It's 3 of fire. So again with this card, you are moving towards some kind of a decision. Maybe this person is thinking of commitment or marriage, There is harmony and balance in this relationship, and this relationship is moving towards something really beautiful. You have a very great bond, a good understanding in this connection. So, for your career, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's the world. So, in your work, things are happening as it should, and you are what to say, seeing your circumstances unfolding in a beautiful way, destiny helping you, destiny unfolding your life, your career circumstance in a very beautiful way. Things are going really positive in your work circumstances, and whatever dreams and plans you have for yourself, all that is manifesting today, Taurus. So that is the energy here, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, We will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So, with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.